in what seems to be a bid for the most awkward campaign moments Hall of Fame, decided to mock Nikki Haley, his fellow Republican presidential contender, by questioning the whereabouts of her husband. Yeah, you heard that right. In a political landscape that often feels like it's spiraling into the absurd, this one takes the cake. Now let's set the scene. We're at a campaign stop in Conway, South Carolina. Trump, perhaps, mistaking the rally for a stand-up comedy edition, begins his routine by dubbing Nikki Haley Bird Brain. Ah, the classic charm, offensive. But wait, it gets better. He then, with the finesse of a bull in a china shop, asks, "Where's her husband? Where is he? He's gone."
Bird Brain loves mass asylum. There's nothing nice about her. I will never run against President Trump. He is a great president, the greatest president in my lifetime, which is actually quite a bit now. The greatest president in my lifetime, she said. I will never run against him. Then she comes over to see me at Mar-a-Lago. Sir, I will never run against you. She brought her husband. Where's her husband? Oh, he's away. He's away. What happened to her husband? What happened to her husband? Where is he? He's gone.
The punchline? Well, Michael Haley, Nikki's husband, is deployed with the South Carolina Army National Guard in Africa. That's right. Serving his country, cue the collective facepalm, but don't worry, folks. Nikki Haley, armed with the speed of an ex-warrior, claps back.
It's disgusting. I mean, every bit of it's disgusting. You know, to sit there and mock my husband for not being with me on the presidential trail because he is deployed and serving our country. You mock one veteran, you're mocking all veterans. But this is a pattern, Dana. He's done this over and over again. Whether he went and calls military members suckers, whether he was at Arlington Cemetery saying what was in it for them, why would they do this? The problem with Trump is he's never been anywhere near a uniform. He apparently had some sort of foot reason that he says he couldn't do that. But the reality is the closest he's come to harm's way is a golf ball hitting him on a golf cart. These men and women sacrifice for us every day. They're willing to shed blood. That's the values that made this country great. And anybody that excuses what he continues to say against the military is hugely mistaken.
Saying, Michael is deployed, serving our country. Something you know nothing about. Ouch, that's just not a burn, that's a third-degree roast right there. Trump, in his quest to dominate the headlines, perhaps forgot a key rule of engagement. Know thy enemy. And maybe, just maybe, know where their spouse is before you make them part of your comedy routine. Especially if they're deployed overseas. In the arena of political jabs, it's always best to punch up, not down. Or at least make sure your facts are straight before throwing the punch. Good people, goodbye.